Happy wife, happy life.
Good morning, everyone. So the kambal woke up too early today. 4:30 pa lang. Nagpapadede na kami sa kanila. Kaya yun. They're sitting now in their bouncer sa living room. And naririnig ko na yung isa. Wow. Daddy and I are getting ready. He is getting their bottles ready and I'm going to pack my lunch. Naririnig ko na yung dalawa. Ang lamig pa rin, grabe. Tagal uminit. Aking grapes. Walang kamatayan grapes. Silipin ko muna kung sino umiyak. Hi, Brayden ko. What is wrong, baby ko? What is wrong, baby ko? Do you want your binky? I know you're tired. Oh, look at that. Such a good boy. You're just sitting there. You're such a good boy, Kuya. You're such a good boy, Kuya Dawson. Hi. Good morning, baby ko. Give mommy a smile. Can you give mommy a morning smile? Huh? Can you give mommy a morning smile? Ay, sus. Look at the smile. Can you give mommy a morning smile? Huh? Are you ready to go to Tammy's? Huh? Do you want your binky also, baby? Huh? Do you want your binky also? Here. Do you want this? Okay. Mommy is going to pack her lunch, okay? You don't want it? You don't want it? Look at your baby brother here. He's grumpy kasi he's tired. Okay. Ayan. Magpapatugtog muna ako ng nursery rhyme para nakaupo lang sila dito. Ayan. Tawag-tawa yung dalawa dito sa kanilang mobile. Ay, baby, look. Look, babies. Tuwan-tuwa sila dito. Ay, so ang kulit ng dalawa. Ay, look at the smile. Look at the smile. Babies, you guys are so precious. So yun, akin na silang papalitan ng diaper at bibisan ko si Dawson, si Brayden, hindi ko na bibisan ng damit. Are you guys ready? Huh? Look, baby, look up here. Ang kulit ng dalawa. Si Kuya Dawson, taka-ching-ching. Hi, baby Brayden. Ayan guys, they're ready na. Pinalitan ko si Dawson ng damit. Mas mabilis kasi isuot ko kaysa dun sa una para hindi mahirapan yung kanilang sitter. And we're just gonna wipe their face. Daddy will wipe their face off.
Okay.
Kasi may mga milk, may mga muta-muta.
Yucky. Yucky. Don't lick it. You don't have milk on me, do you?
Look.
And he's just grinning. He's like, don't lick it. Don't lick it, Dawson. You're so cute. Look at you. Look at you, little boy. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, my little buddy. Good morning, Brayden. Yeah, we already saw each other, didn't we?
The whole night. Hi, baby. Guys, gagawa muna si Daddy ng latte kasi maaga pa. It's only 5:25. So at 5:30, pa-start ko na yung car ko, painitin ko. And darating niya lang galing sa bank kasi nag-withdraw siya ng pambayad sa babysitter kasi gusto niya ng cash, ayaw niya ng check. Kaya kaya every Friday kami magbabayad for the whole week. Monday to Friday lang siya. So pag may trabaho ako ng Saturday, it's either Calbo or his mother. Sila yung mag-aalaga kasi. Ganun kasi sa pabrika, di ba? Lagi talagang may overtime.
I prefer my mother.
What? Take care of them.
Yes, I think they're gonna give me a hard time.
They're not that bad anymore.
Nah, I think they'll be okay.
Yeah.
I think I'll be okay.
Takot si Kalbo sa mga bata. Okay, I'm gonna get you guys. Narinig ko na umiiyak na sa kanilang crib. We are held by the train. Buti na lang merong pang allowance yung time namin. Lagi namin naagahan. Kasi pag ganyan, malilate kami kapag ganitong may train. Ang hirap kasi buong town talaga yan. Hindi, wala kang ibang dadaanan kundi ito. Railroad. Ayan si Kalbo sa unahan. Yan yung sasakyan niya. And yung kambal nandito sa akin. Is ipapark ni Kalbs yung kanyang sasakyan dito sa hospital na pinagtatrabahuan niya. Tapos pupunta siya dito sa sasakyan at ihahatid namin yung kambal. You need a ride?
I do. Where you headed?
I don't know. So
Your place or mine?
The twins are sleeping. Nandito na kami guys sa babysitter. Daddy. Ayaw pumasok ni Kalbo mauna. He's always ready. Daddy's back at the hospital now. We already dropped the kids.
Gotta be hard at work now.
You still have 15 minutes, son.
Yeah, by the time I pull around back, I got like a couple minutes I can clock in. I can't clock in until 23 after.
Okay.
Or we get rode up.
Bye, love you.
Bye, love you too.
Ayan guys, pupunta na ako sa aking work. Kalbs sa kanyang sasakyan. And my work, I think, is like 15 minutes from here.
May-ari.
Ako may-ari ng parking lot. O, tingnan nyo, nasa yellow pa naman na ako. Makareklamo tong mga to.
Bukuin mo nga.
Ayun o. Ikaw na mag-adjust.
Tingnan mo yung linya. Tingnan mo.
Oh, baliw. Asan si Tiray? My babies are chilling. They're actually sleeping right now, guys, habang ako'y naglalaban ng damit. Andito si Kuya Dawson. Ayusin ko yung ulo kasi tingnan niyo. Tulog na tulog. Ang cute ng aking mga anakis. Braden is chilling here sa kanyang swing. So yun guys, I've been home since 4 o'clock. So mga 1 hour and 30 minutes na ako nandito sa bahay. Kaya lang hindi pa ako nakapag-shower kasi Kalbo and Taylor went to store to buy foods. Kasi tomorrow, I still have to work. Sad to say, it's Saturday, kaya lang meron kaming mandatory overtime sa work. And wala akong choice kundi pumasok kung hindi ako'y mara-write up. Kaya lang okay lang yun kasi nandito naman yung si Kalbs and then yung nanay niya tutulungan siya mag-alaga bukas ng kambal. And I feel sad earlier but now it's okay. Dagdag kita. Kaya lang mas gusto ko sana mag-spend ng time sa kanila pero I still have Sunday pa naman. Yun, share ko lang nga pala sa mga nagtatanong magkano yung bayad namin sa babysitter nila. The reason why I go back to work kasi nakahanap kami ng murang babysitter. Ito yung babysitter nila ngayon and she only asked for $12 a day each. So dalawa sila, $24 a day. Kaya compare sa daycare center, di ba dati naghahanap kami ng daycare center, $380 a week yung sinisingil nila sa amin for 2 babies. Kaya that time naisip ko na huminto na lang sa work kasi it's not worth it kasi nga yung halos buong sahod ko wala. Tapos nung nahanap namin yung babysitter na nag-aalaga sa kanila ngayon, nagulat ako kasi sobrang mura ng singil niya. And then, mga ano lang, $120 a week for 5 days compare sa 380. Kaya, I decided na mag-work ulit kasi may natitira pa sa sahod ko, may ipon pa kami, may pambiling gatas. Dahil Yun guys, antay ko lang si Calvo and Taylor is spending the weekend here in our house. Si Ashley nandun sa nanay niya. And kakain kami. Siguro order na lang sila ng pizza kasi gusto ni Taylor. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng laging nag-aabang at sumusubaybay sa buhay namin araw-araw. Salamat everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow.